Hello friends, welcome back to Kirti's Creations. Today we will make this simple DIY Haldi Kumkum Platter for the festive season. So let's start. For making this Haldi Kumkum Platter, we need a metal leaf, Shubh Labh cutouts, some white pearls, bond fix glue which is good for sticking metal or plastic items, and two small golden plastic bowls, or we can say katoris, for Haldi Kumkum. You can buy this material at any novelty shop or a craft material shop. Now I have taken this bond fix glue. I will apply some glue on this metal leaf. And I will simply stick these katoris or a bowl on the metal leaf. Now I will stick these Shubh Labh cutouts on the leaf. See, you can make any alterations in the designs as per your wish. And after that, I will stick these white pearls on the leaf. See, we will keep this overnight for proper drying of the glue so that the pearls, katoris and Shubh Labh patches we have stick will not come out. And see, this Haldi Kumkum platter is ready to use. If you like my creation, then please subscribe to my channel. This gives the motivation for me to make more and more videos. So, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.